Kambuni ya utambia wa maai ya MUWASCO kaunti-ini ya Murang'a ni imwe gatagati-ini ga kambuni inya iria ibatie gukorwo igitabarirwo ni thirikari ya kaunti ino no ikoretwo moko-ini ma andu kiumbe. Ona gukiri uguo kurumirira watho wa mbundi ya gutabarira motungata ma uheani wa maai ya WASREB wigie kambuni cia thirikari gucokio moko-ini ma thirikari, riu kambuni ino ya MUWASCO niurikitie gutia watho ucio.
Other companies, if you live in Kenya, you must comply by the Water Act. This is a country that is ruled under the existing laws.
Kuringana na gavana wa kaunti ino Irungu Kang'ata, thirikari ni gukorwo igitungatira muingi na njira iria yagiriire niguo gutigirira muingi wa Murang'a ni wamukira maai matheru.
I want to assure employees of MUWASCO that we shall maintain the standards. The customers of Murang'a Water Company, we shall maintain the standards. We shall not lower the standards. I think the members of public were fearful that if the company transit into the county government, the standards will go lower.
The consumer will always hold the county government accountable for lack of water or for accelerated increase of water.
Hamwe noguo gavana ni uritie kambuni ingi iria irabatarania kuneana motungata kuri thirikari ino gwika guo niguo kuhotithia muingi kwamukira motungata magaciru.
The future is really in Murang'a region, and I think there we will work 100% to ensure we put more effort in that region, particularly because of this transition.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.